Hello children, welcome back to the another class on soil resources. Before we start our class, let's have a quick recapitulation of what we have studied. In the previous video, we have discussed about definition of soil, formation of soil, constituents of soil, soil fertility, and classification or types of soil, in which we have discussed about alluvial soil in detail. Now let us discuss about black soil. Black soil are formed in situ or residual. Now what do you mean by in situ? In situ means the soil that are formed at the place of its origin. These soil have originated from solidification of basic lava spread over large area of Deccan Plateau during volcanic activity. Therefore, they are essentially formed by weathering of Deccan Trap. The region of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh are known as Deccan Trap. The soil is black in color. Black soil is black in color due to the crystalline metamorphic rock. Black soil are called REGUR because this name has been derived from Telugu word reguda. It is also called as black cotton soil, as cotton is the most important crop grown in the black soil. Since it is formed by the denudation of volcanic rocks, it is also known as lava soil. Now let's see the characteristics of REGUR or black soil. It is fine textured and clayey in nature. That means these soil are made up of extremely fine textured clayey materials. It is black in color because it is formed due to the weathering of metamorphic rocks. Black soil is very clayey, therefore highly retentive of water. It retains water and moisture and becomes sticky when wet. This property of retaining moisture and releasing it when required during dry period is very useful for the crop. The soil is very fertile in most of the places, especially in the Deccan Trap. This soil is rich in lime, iron, magnesium, and poor in phosphorus, nitrogen, and organic matter, that is humus. Black soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, jowar, wheat, linseed, and gram. Distribution of REGUR soil. The REGUR soil are concentrated over the Deccan lava tract, which include the parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and some parts of Tamil Nadu. Now let us understand about the third type of soil, that is red soil. The red soils are the second largest soil group in India and occupies about 11% of the total geographical area of the country. Red soils are formed due to the weathering of ancient crystalline and metamorphic rock. Under prolonged weathering by rainfall, ancient crystalline rocks of Peninsula Plateau break up to form soil. The soil differs from place to place on the basis of the parental rock material and climatic condition. It is red in color as it contains large amount of iron oxide. At several places, its color slightly changes and it appears brown or gray. It looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. Following are the characteristics of red soil. Red soil has got its name from its color, as it contains large amount of iron oxide. Red soils are generally porous, loose, and aerated. That means soil has tiny pores and it is loose in texture, and this allows air circulation into the soil. It is shallow and its pH value ranges from 6.6 to 8.0. That means red soil has less than 50 centimeter depth. and pH stands for potential hydrogen. That means red soil has hydrogen ion concentration that ranges from 6.6 to 8.0. It is not fertile but responds to the proper use of fertilizers. Red soil is poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and organic matter. It needs irrigation support for cultivation. It contains soluble salt in small quantity. It is ideal for dry farming as it is formed in poor rainfall areas. In the lowlands, the red soil are deep fine-grained and fertile, while in the uplands, the red soil are thin, poor, porous and have loose gravel. Distribution of red soil. Red soil forms the second largest soil group in India and is found mainly on the plateau region of Peninsular India from Tamil Nadu in the south to Bundelkhand in the north and Rajmahal Hills in the east to Kutch in the west. In North India, red soil is found in Bihar, West Bengal, eastern Rajasthan, parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram. In South India, red soil is found in Tamil Nadu, Goa, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Red soil is suitable for cultivating almost all crop types. With proper doses of fertilizers and irrigation, it is best suitable for growing potatoes, vegetables, tobacco, sugarcane, ragi, groundnut and rice. Groundnut and potatoes can be grown on coarse soil at the higher levels and sugarcane on heavy clays at lower levels. Next is laterite soil. The word laterite has been derived from a Latin word which means brick. According to most of the soil scientists, the laterite soil have been formed under conditions of high temperature and heavy rainfall, with alternate wet and dry periods. Such climatic conditions help in the leaching of soil. Now, what is leaching? Leaching is the process in which the nutrients gets percolated. Percolated means drain. It drains down below the soil due to heavy rainfall. Thus, it leaves the topsoil infertile. This process is also known as desilication. Due to heavy rain, lime and silica are leached away and aluminium compounds are left behind. Humus content of the soil is removed by bacteria that survives well in the high temperature. Types of laterite soil. There are two types of laterite soils: upland laterites and lowland laterites. Upland laterites are formed over hills and uplands, whereas lowland laterites are transported by streams towards lowlands. Now let's see the characteristics of laterite soil. It is of a coarse texture, soft and friable. That means laterite soils are not fine particles. It is soft, and friable means it can be easily crumbled. It does not retain moisture. That means it has less retention of moisture. It cannot retain moisture for a long period of time. Hence, it suits only special crops like tapioca, cashew nut, and tea and coffee. It is red in color. It is red in color due to the presence of iron oxide, which is formed by leaching. The soluble plant foods like potash are removed from the topsoil, leaving aluminium and iron oxide. It is a porous soil because soil is removed from it by chemical action. It is poor in lime and magnesium and deficient in nitrogen. It is acidic in nature as alkalis are leached. It is suitable for building purposes because it is very durable. If the laterite soil are manured and timely irrigated, one can grow a variety of plantation crops at higher elevations such as coffee, tea, tapioca, rubber, etc. In the low-lying areas, cashew nut, rice, ragi, sugarcane, etc. can be grown. Distribution of laterite soil. Laterite soils mainly occur in the highland areas of the peninsular plateau, especially on the summits of the Sahyadris, Eastern Ghats, Rajmahal Hills and many other hills in the eastern part of the peninsula. Patches of laterite soil are found in Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and along the top slopes of Peninsula Mountains, the Western and the Eastern Ghats. So let's wind up today's class. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.